How to download and install Rush Xtreme application on your Android device. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are looking for a way to download and install and play the Rush Xtreme application on your Android or iOS, firstly unlock your device and then make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, which can be a Wi-Fi or cellular network. Once you are connected, go ahead and open up your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search bar, type in Rush Xtreme like this and search. Look for this application from Say Games Limited and then tap on Install. Wait for the game to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. Just make sure you have the stable internet so that you can download the app quickly. And once the app is installed, tap on Play. And that's how you can download and install the Rush Xtreme application on your Android or iOS. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.